Alright, y'all. So we have a dead baby bird. Wait, Mom. And
Oh yeah, that baby bird died.
Did it or did I cut him?
You cut him. Dead.
So I tried to get him at night.
I don't know. It looked like he was about to fall out the nest and got stuck.
And died. Yeah, and his foot's hanging.
Oh my God.
I got a baby bird. I got it, y'all. My camera.
Here. Hold, no, hold your sister for me. Sadie, get your sister.
Then we got to fix the other one. It's a bird hanging out the tree. Look at Mama. She don't care. Oh my God, baby! I'm crazy.
I ain't using that thing again. Just know. I'm not touching that thing again.
I'm not touching that
The other way.
Oh my
Break it out.
sweet Jesus.
She's stuck. Hold on.
My
Ew, Mama, Dad.
Baby, we gotta hit harder than that.
I don't want to poke the body.
What is that? Oh my God.
Why ripping off his foot?
Don't pick it up. Don't pick it
Nah,
up.
we got to get him out the yard and move him somewhere.
Papa. Mama, what's that? Eagle go smell him. He gon' die.
I already said it.
Shut up. Oh, God. Mama, die. The baby may die.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, watch out, man, y'all.
Oh my God, man. We put it in the fire on the end of the thing.
So
Oh, damn, baby.
she picked it up and it's currently on the rake.
I did it.
And we're about to put it on the trash. She done stabbed the bird. Ah, move, Mom, move away from me. Yay!
Country girl walk. Country girl walk. Ah.